Hi everyone, and Happy New Year! Welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm sharing a set of cards made with the January 2026 Sheetload of Cards template created by Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al. Every month on the 1st she creates these great templates which she shares on her YouTube channel. You can get your template from her channel and the link is in the Creative Team playlist link below. This video is part of a collaboration with other amazing designers. Make sure to see what everyone has created this month. You can use the playlist link or team link list in the description box below to jump around and watch them all. If you are new to my channel and want to see more of my videos, click on the subscribe button in the bottom right corner. With the PDF instructions that Alicia provides, you can make 8 cards with 2 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper. The template was inspired by Kendra's card challenge number 18, sketch 15, and I just love the fun layout. For my cards, I wanted to play around with the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar Kit and some of the supplies that I opened in that kit. If you haven't seen this fun crafting kit, I will put a picture of it up and place a link in the top right corner so that you can check it out. It is full of 12 fun surprise products and a great stamp set that you can use all year long. Here is that stamp set. It's got great greetings and some fun images as well. So I used 2 different patterns from the pattern paper in that kit. You can see that they're a little bit different. I love the beautiful floral images and bright fun colors. Another one of the surprises were the coordinating dies, and you can see here that they have some that go with the stamps. So this one would cut out that fun floral image, and then they also have some unique dies like butterfly, flower, leaves, and I love this rainbow one here as well. So that was also one of the products that was a surprise product in the kit, and I used it for my focal point here. I also have used some of the surprise embellishments that came in the kit. You can see these gold glitter dots. I put them on my card as well. Here are the dots. You just get so many in this cute little package, and they're loose so that you can either create shaker cards with them or you can add them with a little adhesive to my cards, which is what I did here. Another one of the embellishments that I used was this gold glitter glue, and I did something really fun with this, and let me show you. So I don't know if you can see it here, but my leaves have a little touch of gold on them. And I'm just going to tell you what I did for that. And this is a technique that I shared in my 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar kit unboxing class. So if you're interested in that, if you do have that 12 Days of Calendar kit, I did an unboxing every day for 12 days, and then we made a card with that new product. So if you're interested in seeing what I did with the kit, you can check that out, and I'll include a link to that below in the description. So what I did is I took some color cardstock. This is the Old Olive, and this is soft sea foam, and you just take your gold glitter glue and you add it to your cardstock, and then you smear it around. And I just used my finger to smear. Then you let it dry, and then you cut out your shapes from your glittered cardstock. And it's just such a fun little touch that you can do with the gold glitter glue. So let me give you a close-up of that. Here's a really nice one that has some good glitter on it. Just along those there, that's pretty right there. You can see a little bit of that shine coming through on those leaves. I love making cards with the Sheetload of Cards templates, and if you've never played around with the Sheetloads, make sure to check them out, and again the link is below in the description. I hope you enjoyed seeing my cards today. If you'd like to see a full product list or learn more about card making, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.